These videos where cartoons and game maps get turned into real life are blowing up right now. They are pulling in millions of views, taking any animated scene, a cartoon house, or a Call of Duty map and making it look like a real place someone filmed on their phone. I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself, and all you need is a screenshot and 2 tools. I'll show you an example with the GTA screenshot, but there are plenty of options you could use. Any game map or cartoon scene works. Get the master prompt from the description. Now open any chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude AI. Send the master prompt in the chat. When that says, upload your first image. Take your screenshot, click the plus icon, upload your image, type D and send it. The GPT reads the whole scene and hands you 2 things, a photoreal image prompt and a matching video prompt. Copy the image prompt, head over to flow.undermodel, select Nano Banana 2. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for shorts. Add your screenshot as reference image 1. This is the important part because it locks the layout so your real version matches the map exactly. Paste the prompt and click generate. You'll get a vertical first-person shot of the map, but photoreal. Time to bring it to life. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. In Flow, drag the image you want to animate into prompt field. Turn audio on, set the duration to 8 seconds. Use Omni Flash as the model. Paste the video prompt and click generate. You'll get an 8-second clip where the camera walks up to the scene, a hand reaches out and presses the old TV display, and everything reacts like it's real. It even ends on a spoken line, then repeat it for the next scene. You will find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.